Welcome. In this video, we're diving into a simple yet powerful LinkedIn feature that can help you expand your professional network, enabling profile discovery by your email address. By adjusting this setting, you make it easier for others to find and connect with you, which can be a game changer for networking opportunities. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. Once you're on the home screen, look towards the top left corner and tap on the Me icon. This will take you to your profile and account settings. Next, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Once inside, navigate to the Visibility section. This is where LinkedIn gives you control over who can see and discover your profile through various means. Now look for the option labeled Profile Discovery using email address. Tap on it to access its settings. Here you'll see several options for who can discover your profile using your email address. It might be set to no one, connections only, or anyone. To maximize your visibility and networking potential, select anyone. And that's it. With this setting enabled, anyone who has your email address can now find your LinkedIn profile. This is especially useful if you're actively growing your professional connections or making yourself more accessible for career opportunities. Remember, LinkedIn is all about connecting with like-minded professionals and showcasing your expertise. By enabling this feature, you open the door to more meaningful connections that could lead to exciting opportunities in your career. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and share it with others who might benefit from these tips. Thanks for tuning in and happy networking.